guys, welcome to FoodTokTV. We are now having our annual Grub Match 2026. We have our final two contestants. We have Bobby and we have Auriks. Guys, show them what your ingredients are. You've got blue Maseca and Cornish game hen, and they have 45 minutes to prepare this dish. They were allowed to bring in they're going to be allowed to bring in somebody of their choice. We will let them know for 10 minutes. Bobby's bringing in Jesse, and Auriks is bringing in Queen G, or Mr. Crown Royal for Jesse. And they're going to have 45 minutes. Then it will go to our judges, and then we will be officially naming our 2026 Grub Match winner. All right, guys. Are we ready?
No.
All right. On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go. Yay!
Go, guys, let's go.
All right, we're going to let them get started. We're going to go over here and let's talk to our judges. Let's just see. Excuse me. Hi, Jeanette.
Tell me all about it.
Take this, Jeanette. Tell us about yourself. Oh. No, just tell us, how long have you known Food Talk? How did you even find Food Talk? Kind of give us your history with Food Talk TV.
Is this real?
Yeah, it really is. It inside is the microphone.
So I've known Kaz longer than Food Talk TV has been around. So that's it. How about no?
We have an hour to kill, honey.
Yes. And have another question for you?
Awesome.
No.
Hello.
Do we all get a different question?
Yeah. Do I answer the same
Yes,
question?
you're just going to tell us about yourself.
Okay.
How long have you been?
So I'm Angel. I'm normally with the shop side, and stop it, Dennis. I've actually known Kaz since before Food Talk was even thought about. I previously worked with him, so he's awesome. He's the best boss.
Back to the front.
I've been a moderator for FoodTokTV for 2 years. I found them about 2.5 years ago and fell in love with everybody. And I don't cook either. And I eat lean cuisines and rotisserie chickens. And I throw away a lot of food. And I'm having a nervous breakdown right now.
Go on.
I've been a moderator for Food Talk for about a year. I originally found Food Talk through Carrie, and Carrie referred Trini, and after that, it was everybody.
All right, let's go check on Bobby. Let's see what he's doing to that hen. What are we doing?
Well, I've no yogurt because we ordered some, so I'm going to have to improvise.
Yeah.
It's not a problem. It'll still work.
Yeah. Okay.
It is what it is.
The Auriks making blue corn. Are you making blue corn tortillas? And so she's making blue corn tortillas with her blue Maseca. Let's get out of their way.
This is a hen. This is their baby chicken, basically. Now, usually I would make the marinade with yogurt. I don't have any yogurt. I did ask for some, but
Okay.
that's not a problem. It is what it is. As soon as that there, I've separated the wings. I can do something later with it, but we don't really have time. I'm making a wing dish later anyway for everybody, so we'll just do that. So we scored the chicken, the hen, if you call it a chicken. It is a chicken relative. It's a small hen compared to our UK ones.
All right.
We're going to get the sauce done.
Okay.
The sauce is cooking.
Right, Caroline? I know.
And then what we'll do is we'll basically start the sauce, and I'll go to later on. I'll do the chicken. I only want the chicken about 80% because I want it to be nice and moist.
Gotcha. Just chopping this garlic.
So we're going to put a little
She's
bit
got
of
some
right
right.
there.
Now, did she debone hers?
I don't know. Did you debone your thing?
She did.
Yeah, she did my chicken.
All right, so it's best for us right now to stay out of their way. It's.
Yeah, it's dangerous in there.
Did you see how she did that?
Yeah,
a
I've been in there.
true chef will taste something like that because she knows it's fine. Did you see how she did that? She tasted her that marinade, knowing there's raw chicken in there. I would have done the same thing. You're in a competition, and you know it's going to come down to flavor. Taste that. That little bit ain't going to hurt you.
Bobby.
You know that's a controversial thing to say, but it's true. A good chef knows. But here's the deal. You can see now. Look at Bobby. He's going to town. We want to stay out of their way, and I'm trying to keep it down so they can concentrate because these guys are. Bobby is a trained chef. Is Auriks is trained as well. I do believe they are both trained chefs. Anyways, regardless, this is a really good match. I'm really excited. I'm really excited about where we're at as far as the two people that ended up in the end. I'm very, very pleased to see them two in the end.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Another bowl.
Oh,
I'll use that.
I'm just moving out of Bobby's way here. Like I said, let's
too,
go
Jim.
over there. We're gonna go over there, take a peek in their bowl, guys, and then we're gonna come back to our station. So
I mean, once I'm gonna wait for the cameraman to do
yeah,
his thing.
yeah. Let's let him do his thing. I didn't realize. Just a second, as soon
So
as
conflicted,
cameraman.
I understand. Thank you, May said thank you, Trini. I can hear you.
Oh, you're welcome. I really think now from what Bobby told me. Listen, guys, Bobby being from UK, this is the first time Bobby's ever used blue Maseca. So this is his first time even, dealing with anything like this. So, he's literally just going by feel, look, touch. But there again, he is trained. I mean, he's a true certified chef. So. All right, guys, you want to call your friend in and go ahead and call your partner.
We do.
Carrie, Jesse.
Jesse!
Carrie, here she comes.
Dun, 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 dun.
Look,
All right.
Yeah, don't worry about us cameramen.
Oh, this is nice.
All right, Mr. Crown Royal, what's happening out here
So
with Bobby's chicken?
Bobby marinated this in some wonderful Indian sauce. That's the spices that he uses. So he wants this char-grilled 80%. I'm guessing he's still going to cook it inside somewhere the rest of the way. So we'll see. So I'm going to try to get it to where I can in 10 minutes.
So these,
10 minutes.
those two pieces of chicken, well, they're not even chicken, they're
What?
Cornish hens, are Bobby's. The rest of that chicken over there, that's what Mr. Coochie's working on.
Yeah, it's just this.
4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes left with your partner.
And
yeah, he's
I guess
outside.
she didn't know how to use it.
I'll let him
So
know.
Kaz quickly turned it back on.
Very good. Thank you for the update. How are we recovering over here, Bobby? You doing good?
Yeah, good.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything, sir? Because I can't.
Another drink.
Oh. Wow.
Working very fast, yes. How much time do they get total?
45.
45 minutes. Got some stuff going on over there. Auriks doing what she does.
All right.
Looks like Carrie's working on some chips over here. You're working on some chips for Auriks?
Oh, that's good. Never mind. It's okay. 1 minute left for the partners.
Right, okay. I'll go outside if he's not here.
Does Jesse know to come in on his own?
Keep it on high.
Got it.
All right.
On the high level.
5,
The high level. The high level.
4,
High level. Not on high.
3, 2, 1. Partners no longer get help with partners. There is exactly 16 minutes and 54 seconds left in the match.
Really?
Till time. 16 minutes.
16 minutes left, guys.
Yeah. They're busy. They're down to the wire. This is it. When you get down to the wire like that, it gets really stressful. I've done several. I've done 3 grub matches now, and the last 15, 10 minutes when you start plating and all that, that's when it gets real. It's like, oh crap.
Cooking competition.
You really got to
on
pick it up
FoodTalkTV.
and get the ball
Set a
rolling.
timer for. Thank you, Babs. Cozy,
Is
thank you so
this
much for following.
Hollywood? A little bit.
Guy, sorry.
So I have a question.
Okay.
Yeah, that sauce that Bobby's made. Can you zoom in on
I
that
don't want
sauce?
him to
Look at the
get in
color of
trouble
that
if I
sauce,
ask him to
guys.
do something.
Jeff,
Oh, takes care of that. Yes, ma'am.
look at that sauce. Zoom in on Bobby's sauce. Look at the color of Bobby's sauce. That is a beautiful color. Look at those colors of that sauce. Is there turmeric? There's got to be turmeric. Yeah, beautiful.
Oh. Oh, was it? No, you're fine. I was looking for her. I didn't know where she went. She's so tiny and so quiet. I didn't know where
What
she
is
went.
Auriks got going on over here? What is? Look at this. Now we know, guys. You already know that Auriks is known. She is known for her plating, for her delicate hands. What did you say you needed, Bobby?
I needed that chocolate bar.
Okay.
Thank you, Babs.
All right. Look at Auriks.
Thank
She
you,
is
Babs.
over there plating diligently. Let's get to Auriks. She's plating. Do you want to go on the other side? Other side? Yeah, that would be perfect. We've got
Coming at you,
Auriks.
coming at
She
you.
is doing some beautiful plating.
Tastes good.
Look at that. She is beautiful job.
Thank you, Scott. Thank you, Jet.
All right.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you, Melissa.
Let me get out of your way. All right. Bobby's running out to
Yes,
check the
Emo, she
chicken.
is.
Jeff, run to check. Let's go see the chicken, Jeff.
Let's go check the chicken.
Yeah,
She's
they're
gonna be done
checking
by
to
the
see
time we
what.
get back.
We've got 10 minutes. 10 minutes, guys.
Go.
I'm just gonna let Jeff go out there and I'll talk according. Yeah, I figured.
But yeah, I'll work it out.
You don't want this done?
I'll have to leave that side. I'll cut this in half.
Okay.
Got some kitchen scissors. You have to do the whole thing.
That looks really good.
My mom cooks the best Cornish hens. Let's see his.
It's fine.
He's working on it.
It's good.
Josiah, yes. He is.
Yeah,
Absolutely is.
It is pink. It's tender, but he's gonna take care of it.
Someone's on the board.
Okay, guys, we are down to 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
I'm finished. I
Good.
All right. She's done.
All right, let's go.
Let's go see.
I've got 10 minutes.
Let's go.
Now she's done, but Bobby still has time.
Yeah, but no, I just want to see. Look at beautiful, honey. Beautiful Auriks. Look at that. Yeah, I get to try.
You should be proud of that, honey. That looks beautiful. Blue Mesa.
Right. Hello,
Plated.
This is Auriks. She was one of the finalists, and she completed her plate a little early, with plenty of time to spare.
Do I sound
Looking
like Bobby? I
wonderful.
don't think I'm as
Very
good as
proud
him.
of that plate. I'm quite sure she is.
Oh, that looks
All right.
Here comes the countdown.
Put some cream too.
All right, we got 1 minute, 35 seconds. We're coming down to the wire, Bobby. Are we going to make it? I know you will. Somebody turn their phone. I hear myself echoing.
Oh, Mima just
Oh,
said
here we
something.
go. Look at that.
This is why I can't watch those Iron Chef shows. Exhaustion scores is.
Yes.
Oh, I know, right?
Perfection.
From the stress, absolutely.
This is
Cilantro,
perfection.
yes.
Ooh.
This is perfection.
1 minute. 1 minute.
You need 2 plates.
1 minute remaining. Are we?
That's me, bro.
Hands up.
Let's go.
Way to go, Bobby.
Let's go. That's official, guys. That is the official Grub Match. All right, guys. So here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna break. We're gonna go to judging. We will be back in about 30 minutes. We're gonna announce the winner. Then we have a bunch of awards that we're giving out from the year that we're going to give out to people. So we will be back here in exactly 30 minutes to announce our 2026 Grub Match winner. Bye, guys. See you. Okay, so you guys did not make it easy on us. We were upstairs like deliberating.
By the plates, it was this one.
Yes, here's the. So we did it on plating, how well you use the ingredient, and then overall taste. And it literally came down to a point. Both of your platings was delicious. Bobby brought the heat. You brought a little of the like the tang, like the balsamic, but overall both amazing dishes. So without further ado, our 2026 Grub Match winner is Auriks! Yay! But Auriks, you also win $200, and Bobby, you also win $200. Yes, baby, yes! You won that! You earned it!
I just want to sit Bob. It was of you. Well, I knew, when I saw the plate, I knew who won anyway, straight away. Mine was too spicy.
No, so
It was spicy.
I want to tell you something.
You're the wrong judges.
It's an honor for me to be here with everyone because you are amazing cookers, guys. So thank you, Carrie, for your help. Thank you for your advice. I love you, Jessie, Sasha, and Christine. Everyone, it was for me. Thank you. I was nervous because I came in here only for having fun.
Right.
So because everyone in here, we are winners. So thank you, Bobby. It was a good.
Yes. I also want to thank Cass for putting on this amazing weekend. We can all say we had a great time.
Yeah.
Great time. So thank you, Cass, for giving us this amazing weekend. Yes. All right, guys, that's it for our live tonight. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Night.
Thanks,
Thank you.
guys. All the praise, all the love to both of y'all from everyone out there.
Yes.
Watching.
Everybody
Very
say
good.
congrats.
Thanks, guys.